Welcome. John must be sleeping. She might like soup. They can't be far.
As you can see, today we will focus on models of deduction. Let's start. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share.
She can't be hot. It might be January.
She must be the victim. The thief could be sorry.
She must have a problem. He may get off work soon.
She must be really worried. He can't feel well.
Models of deduction. We use models of deduction to guess if something is true about particular situations. Depending on the model used, we can express being sure or not so sure about our guess.
Must. We use must when we are very sure about the guess. She is crying. She must be the victim. Can't. We use can't when we think that something is impossible. It is snowing. It can't be hot. Might, may, could. We use them when we are not so sure about the situation. He looks sad. He might feel sorry.
Now practice using models of deduction to guess about particular situations.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!